Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in the English language: noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, preposition, adverb, conjunction, and interjection. These 8 parts of speech constitute the English language and they help us speak English more efficiently. When we learn these 8 parts of speech, we can speak English better and fluently. Let's cover all these parts of speech in the course of 30 days. First, we are going to cover nouns. Noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, or a thing. Example: Akbar was a great king. The rose smells great. The sun shines bright. Kolkata is a city in India. In all these words, the words highlighted in red are nouns because they give name of a person, place, or a thing. For example, Akbar, the rose, the sun, Kolkata, they all are nouns. Types of nouns. There are different types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, plural noun, singular noun, abstract noun, collective noun, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. These are kinds of nouns that we are going to study. First, proper noun and common noun. What is the difference between these two nouns? So, let us take this sentence for instance. Ashoka was a wise king. Here, Ashoka is a proper noun and king is a common noun. It is because Ashoka, we are talking about particular king. And king, they could be many kings, but we talked about Ashoka. For example, here we have these set of words: Sita, a girl; Hari, a boy; Kolkata, a city; India, a country. We got to know the difference here. Singular noun and plural noun. The only difference is that singular nouns is one person or thing and plural is more than one person or thing. Singular, one noun; plural, more than one noun. Forming plurals. Now there are some particular rules for forming the plurals of a noun. Let's see. Generally, we add s in a noun: boy, boys; pen, pens; cow, cows; girl, girls; desk, desks. We add es when the word ends with sh, ch, or x. Class, classes; box, boxes; tax, taxes; brush, brushes; match, matches. We add es also mostly when the word ends with o. Mango becomes mangoes; potato, potatoes; volcano, volcanoes; cargo, cargoes; echo, echoes; hero, heroes. And sometimes we also add only s: solo, solos; ratio, ratios; photo, photos; logo, logos; kilo, kilos; buffalo, buffaloes. Not only these, there are more rules. Let us look at them also. IES. We add IES when the word ends with Y. We cancel the Y, we omit the Y and add IES. Baby, babies; army, armies; lady, ladies; city, cities; story, stories. We add VES when the word ends with F. Generally, thief becomes thieves; wife, wives; leaf, leaves; self, selves; elf, elves. Now, we add s or VES. We can use both for some nouns which are dwarf, dwarfs. It can also be dwarfs. Hoof, hoofs. It can also be hooves. Scarf, scarves. It can also be scarves. Now, F or EF, in these words, whenever the word ends in these letters, we add S. Chief, chiefs; safe, safes; cliff, cliffs; gulf, gulfs; proof, proofs. So, with F, the F letter which ends, there are many exceptions. EN, whenever uh, there are some words, we add EN at last to make plurals: ox, oxen; child, children. There are some words which have no change in plural: deer, deer; sheep, sheep; series, series; species, species; cord, cord; salmon, salmon. Now, there are some words which are only used in plurals. We don't use them in singular: trousers, jeans; shorts, pajamas; scissors; spectacles. These words are only used with as plurals. Change vowels. Sometimes we change the inner vowels to make it plural: men, men; women, women; foot, feet; tooth, teeth; mouse, mice. There are also some other like louse and lice. This example I gave extra. So these were the rules. Abstract nouns, quality, state, or action. What are abstract nouns? Nouns that give quality, state, or action. That are quality, state, or action. For example, goodness. Goodness is a quality. Kindness is also a quality. Laughter is an action. Childhood is a state. These all are nouns which are abstract nouns. Countable versus uncountable. The nouns we can count are called countable nouns. For example, book and apple, because we can say three books and two apples, we can count them on fingers, and like that also. Uncountable nouns we cannot count. Honesty, milk, we cannot count. Abstract nouns like honesty. And also there are some nouns we cannot count, we can only count them with another word. Collective nouns, used to tell about a collection of nouns. For example, a crowd of people, an army of soldiers. Thanks for watching. Bye.